everybody to the Fix My Bleep channel. Today is just more of a short tech tip, and what we're going to talk about is cable management. So a lot of things that drive people crazy is they'll get their computer and they'll have cables just running in all directions. You know, there's cables behind their desk, their feet are getting caught up in cables, they're like running up the wall or hanging down from the ceiling or whatever. So you can hide all these cables, make it look really nice, and it doesn't take that much time. It's pretty simple actually. So what you'll need is just some really affordable items. Basically get yourself some zip ties. This is called Cable Loom. Comes in white, you can get it in black, comes in different sizes. Get some 1/2 inch, get some 3/4 inch, you get some 1 inch cable loom. Most commonly is probably your 3/4 inch cable loom. This is just to tuck all your cables and all your wiring into something that just looks really nice and is just like one big cord that you can tuck away somewhere underneath the desk and just out of sight and out of mind. The other thing you will need is some good Velcro strips. Ties it all together. You can get a big roll of it like this. You can get little strips like this. Get some Gorilla Tape, and then these are actually for water pipes. I would get some of these clips, and you can nail it up to the wall or up to some boards. And then I will show you in the coming up video here what to do with that, and we'll go from there. Alright, cable management time. First thing you're going to want to do, get an idea of how much cable loom you're going to need. So just hold the loom up next to your cable. Cut it a little bit long. Going to need about that much. Just cut it with some good shears. So it takes some getting used to using this stuff, but you open it up, there's a crease right there. And make it look as pretty as we can. Use your thumb, go down along the crease, push those wires in there, all the way down along. All the extra slack goes to the bottom. You'll thank me when you're done. Well, if you're in charge of the household, you will definitely be very glad you did this. Get right to the bottom there. We're going to have this big loop. I'll show you what to do with that. A couple of things. So with the loop, twisty tie. Take your twisty tie, wrap this guy around the loop. All right, there's that. Cable loom on. Okay, we are next. We're going to take a zip tie. We're going to go up top here, to the big bundle of network cables. I'm going to put a zip tie around all these guys. Gonna zip tie them. Take your shears, cut off your zip tie. Now if we really want to get fancy, I'll go grab some double-sided tape, and we could stick this double-sided tape it right to the panel there. If we don't want to do that, if we want to pull this panel off again, not a big deal. I've got plenty of double-sided tape, but yeah, it can look really nice. We can tape that down to the panel if we want to. Okay, actually, better than double-sided tape, my best friend, Gorilla Tape. Gonna use just a little bit of this, rip it lengthwise, do a little roll here. Make nice, like a nice little tube, the stuff. Stick it on the back of your wire loom. Now I do theater room setups as well. Stick that baby right there. Same thing. Make a nice little roll. Back of your wire loom. And last step, make this look all sorts of pretty. Hide the ugly. One more zip tie right here on the bottom. Cut off your zip tie, and there is Greg's tech tip for the day. Switch installed. You've got all your electronic appliances plugged in, everything lit up, and you should be all set. Take care.
Warrior.